Are you tired of battling pet hair, dust, and debris in your home? Well, today we've got you covered with our top 5 picks for the best vacuum cleaners on the market. From powerful suction to specialized pet tools, these vacuums are designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Bissell 24613 Pet Hair Vacuum. Are you tired of constantly battling pet hair in your home? Look no further than the Bissell 24613 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus Lightweight Vacuum. This incredible vacuum is specifically designed to tackle the persistent problem of pet hair with ease. With its powerful suction and tangle-free brush roll, you can say goodbye to those frustrating hair clogs and hello to a cleaner, fur-free environment. Its Smart Seal allergen system, which captures and traps allergens inside the vacuum, prevents them from escaping back into the air. This is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from allergies or asthma, as it helps maintain a healthier indoor environment. Here are some pros. Tangle-free brush roll for efficient pet hair removal. Smart Seal allergen system traps allergens for a healthier home. Specialized pet tools for tackling pet hair in various areas. Easy empty feature for convenient dirt disposal. Cons. Some users may find the vacuum to be a bit bulky. Number 2. Fabuleta 24-kPa Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you're searching for a versatile and powerful cordless vacuum cleaner, the Fabuleta 24-kPa Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice. This 6-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum offers a range of features that make cleaning a breeze. With a powerful 250W brushless motor, this vacuum provides exceptional suction, effectively picking up pet hair, dust, and debris from a variety of surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. The high suction power, rated at 24 kPa, ensures that even the most stubborn dirt is effortlessly lifted away. The vacuum's cordless design allows for easy maneuverability and hassle-free cleaning in any corner of your home. Here are some pros. Powerful suction for efficient cleaning. Lightweight and cordless design for easy maneuverability. Long runtime of up to 45 minutes. LED display shows battery status. Cons. Merrick wire occasional recharging for larger cleaning tasks. Number 3. Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that combines powerful performance and versatility? The Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a top-notch choice that offers an upgraded 25 kPa suction and a 280W brushless motor, ensuring exceptional cleaning results. This 4-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. From pet hair and carpets to hard floors and even car interiors, this vacuum has got you covered. The lightweight handheld vacuum mode allows for quick and convenient spot cleaning. With a runtime of up to 55 minutes, the Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner provides ample cleaning time without interruptions. This is particularly beneficial for larger homes or when you have multiple cleaning tasks at hand. Here are some pros. Upgraded suction power for efficient cleaning. Versatile 4-in-1 design for various cleaning tasks. Long runtime of up to 55 minutes. Sleek and ergonomic design for comfortable use. Cons. Merrick wire additional charging time for prolonged cleaning sessions. Number 4. Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When it comes to power and convenience, the Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out from the crowd. With its 33 kPa suction power and 400W handheld vacuum, this appliance delivers impressive performance, effortlessly tackling pet hair, carpets, and hardwood floors. The vacuum features a user-friendly LED touchscreen, allowing you to easily adjust the cleaning modes and monitor the battery level. This intuitive interface ensures a seamless cleaning experience, giving you full control over the vacuum settings. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, the Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner provides ample time to clean your entire home without interruptions. When it's time to recharge, simply place it on the included charging dock and it will be ready for the next cleaning session. Here are some pros. Powerful suction for efficient cleaning. LED touchscreen for easy operation. Long runtime of up to 50 minutes. Lightweight and ergonomic design for comfortable use. Cons. Some users may find the vacuum's noise level to be slightly higher than expected. Number 5. Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Charging Station. For a comprehensive cleaning experience with advanced features, the Wlupel Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Charging Station is a standout choice. With its 400W 33 kPa suction power and dual display, this vacuum is designed to meet the needs of pet owners and households with various flooring types. Equipped with a dust sensor, the Lariser vacuum detects and alerts you to the presence of fine dust particles, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. The vacuum's powerful suction effortlessly removes pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, hardwood floors, and other surfaces. The vacuum's dual display system shows the remaining battery life and suction power, allowing you to monitor the cleaning progress and adjust settings as needed. This level of control and visibility enhances the overall user experience. Here are some pros. Powerful suction for effective cleaning. The dust sensor detects fine particles for thorough cleaning. Convenient charging station for easy storage and automatic recharging. Dual display system for monitoring battery life and suction power. Cons. The vacuum's larger size may require more storage space compared to compact models.